Today we will be going on a toy Glock 45, and if you want the VIN number for the 45 gun, which you can get at Walmart, your local Walmart, it is if you want the real gun, here is the VIN number, WM7731 CP-1119. So that is for the Glock, and that's what we're doing. So, first up, we are doing this one. And they're all different. Okay. So, here's what it sounds like. So that's this gun. It has that. So that's that gun. I'll just stick that. Now going on to this one. So I have done a video on this, I think. It may have been my last one, you can go down. But here is this one. It is all rounded, orange and green. So okay. There's that one. 45. Here is one that, this is my first one. And so then you just got this. So this will be so they are all different. So here's this one. There's the first one. Second. So this is first, second, and then this is third. So this would be my last one. So here's the first. First and second are going up. First, second. Here's first and third. Then we have third and second. So there's those. And then if you can go over, I will have a next video. It'll be today, so make sure on that one it'll be about guns. On this, my new one, I will look if I have done a video of this. I will do a video of this, and I'll check if I see a video of this. And not, I will just do it as normal. I'll do all three. So